Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking, and Canning, where we do a daily review, an update on the garden, see how our growth is doing. If you're watching us on YouTube, please give us a like. If you're watching us on Rumble, our preferred channel, please give us a follow. Please subscribe. It helps to drive the channel. Have more people come and look at our garden. Our raspberries are coming along very nicely. Maybe we will have enough to add to the next batch of jam eventually. One of my lemons didn't make it. There we go. Our potatoes in the compost pile. Soon we'll stop visiting these when we harvest them. Oh, something viney growing here. It's okay, it's in the pile. All right, our midget pepper plant has not produced any flowers yet. Our tomatoes continue to flower. Our tallest pepper plant still flowering. How are these plants doing here? These pepper plants? Sorry, tomato plants? Still fine. We didn't get any rain last night. There was quite a bit of rain before that. And there was quite a bit of humidity yesterday. So if the rain schedule looks blank for the next 3-4 days or so, it'll be time for another turmeric spray. We have a lot of new growth. There's been a lot of humidity. We want to be able to keep the fungus and the mushrooms and the mildew down. So while we're here at the squash box, let's have a look. We have more squash flowers. Let's look closer down here. Oh yes, we have some of the flowers ready to come to full bloom. Just see that corner plant there. More flowering, climbing up. Very nice. Our other pepper plants, all doing fine. The new little vines. Eventually they learn. This one here, climbing along the side. Well, the plants continue to do well, very nicely. Here's Seymour. Still doing fine. A couple of sacrificial leaves at the bottom there for the bugs. All right, the zucchini. Well, did we have the zucchini grow overnight? Oh, we're getting a lot of flowers. All praise to banana juice. The bananas in the water to feed the plants that I've been doing. Well, it looks like we do have a zucchini down here. Right there. All the other ones are still coming in. Oh yes, look at that, eh? Little sneaky zucchini right there. And the carrots are getting along just fine. Onion bed. Onioning along, or kale. And all this crazy dill. Well, I sure hope the farmers' cucumbers become available soon, so we can start pickling some of those, especially with all this dill. I'll have to cut it down and plant some more. Our peas. We had some delicious peas for supper last night. We'll just have to pick some more to consume again today. Our potato box is doing rather well. I think the food we've given it has been a really good mixture. In the past, some of the food I was using wasn't that good. These stalks that grow too fast, too tall. They're doing rather well. Okay, now, do we have any beans today? We had beans. I fried some of those up yesterday. They were delicious. And nope. Just maybe on the other side. As we walk past our other potato plot. Yeah, it's doing fine. Well, I don't see any beans. No beans. Not today. Okay. Well, let's go look at our last squash box. Some of the lower leaves are starting to yellow because they're not getting sunlight anymore, as the other leaves outcompete them. Well, all the vines seem to be, except for when they do this. That's all right. We'll just nice climber right there. More beans, more peas to pick. Yep, and this one too. Well, everything is growing wonderfully. Squash boxes slowly becoming what they're supposed to be. All right, let's go in the front and go have a look at Butch. Here we are once again looking at these creepy plants, the ones that are very resilient. Now into our garden box. You can see our pumpkin back here, sneakily growing, getting ready to pounce on the rest of the box. And we can see our morning glories just climbing like crazy. All right. Lavender, more lavender, and more lavender. And our other giant sunflower. And his sidekick Butch. Now the bread's not getting touched here. Maybe the animals will find it here on the third day. So another pumpkin squash back here. Let's go inside. Let's go in and look at the other one. Okay. How's that other one doing? Well, it's still surviving. Oh, this one's getting... Give him a chance. Wow. Surprised all these weeds are getting choked out. Oop. So the morning glories are continuing to creep across and getting into this one here. And yeah, the multi-headed hydra. Ow. There we go. Aiming towards the sun. And a little sidekick there. There were so many replantings of seeds because this cool spring, seeds just weren't popping up. All right, let's go look at the bird shit berry bush. Yeah, I was out here last night picking, and I gotta pick again this morning. So much bounty. So blessed. Very blessed. Oh, I must have at least another 700 grams just from 2 pickings. Looks like I might have to make another batch again today. I'm still trying to edit the last batch. Okay, well, this has been today's review of the garden. If you stayed to the end, again, we'll remind you, please give us a like or a follow, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.